How to make add yours template on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon under your story. Now select any background photo. Now tap on the sticker icon. Now tap on add yours template. Now tap on next. Now if you want to add text or photos for the template, tap on the text icon. Now add your text and tap on done. Now once you're done, simply tap on the pin icon. Now pin the text or photos for the template. You can also pin the background and tap on next. Now click on your story. Now tap on share template. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.